Hi Kapip, magandang tanghali. Ngayon, ang pupuntahan natin ang World Muslim League. Mga kaibigan natin to almost 3 years ago. Kaya ako nakilala yung mga taga-Saudi, mga ambassadors dito because of the World Muslim League na dapat gagawin doon sa Philippines. Pero hindi natuloy eh. So now, there's a better opportunity for them to successfully gawin doon. Kasi meron tayong mga ibang pwedeng tumulong sa government natin, mga bago natin kakilala, na makakatulong para maging reality na yung kanilang pangarap sa mga taga World Muslim League na magawa yung kanilang interfaith dialogue doon sa Philippines. Yun ang magiging first sa buong mundo na interfaith dialogue. And the World Muslim League is the biggest Muslim organization in the Middle East and the world. So, Kapit, let's go. See you.
Hi Kapips! Grabe, kanina galing kaming Muslim World League. And then, sobrang pagod namin at ang init dun sa labas. Nag-spa kami. Kalalabas lang namin ng spa. And mamaya may meeting kami ulit sa lobby lang. Ano let's go. Uwi muna tayo. Takot na. Ngayon yung last meeting natin. Kasama sila Ambassador Abdulaziz and Ambassador Al-Kayat. Because Ambassador Al-Kayat is going back to Jeddah tomorrow. So, nag-request siya ng last meeting before he leaves, goes back to Jeddah. So, ayun, yung 6-month namin na pa-finalize na yung plan na gagawin namin dito. And doon sa mga ibang magiging future partners namin, pag-uusapan namin before he leaves. So, nagyayari sila doon sa masarap daw na kainan. So, let's go. Ciao tayo mga kapips. Let's go!
يعطيك العافية. وصلنا الحمد.
Hi Kapips! Naalala niyong kumain kami dito? Ito ulit kami, ang sarap dito. Come on, let's eat. This is traditional Bedouin Saudi Arabian ethnic cultural dining or restaurant food. So, come on guys. Mamaya papakita namin yung mga handa. Sarap.
What this for?
This is for the perfume in the past, like they put the perfume here for the ladies, yeah. They put the perfume here and then they used to do to the perfume like this. You know? Yeah.
Mohammed,
Yeah.
if I run this 3 times, the genie will come out.
Try it. Try it. What's your wishes? What's your wishes? I'm here.
Be like you.
This is for the hair.
Oh,
Yeah. The
really?
small one, yeah.
The flat one?
Yeah, the black one. Is not this one? That's
Oh, the
one.
black-
Yeah,
the black?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. This is for the hair.
Here?
But yeah, this is like the in the past they do it like your hair like straight or yeah. Yeah.
Can I try to my hair?
Hi mga kapips! Yun, so nagkaroon kami ng dinner dun sa Najj Village. Pag pupunta kayo ng Saudi Arabia, dahil nandun sa Riyadh, punta kayo dun sa Najj Village. Ang sarap dun, ethnic Saudi Arabian food. For this day, although it's tiring, we're very happy kasi lahat ng mga gusto naming pinunta dito, naging successful, nangyari. Especially doon sa World Muslim League, saka yung ibang meetings namin about doon sa magiging bago namin mga partners. So, good night kapips and thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this episode. Kami kayo matututunan dito, lalo na yung culture ng Saudi Arabia and its people. And the food and yung paano sila makipag-transact, paano sila, makikita nyo kami kanina paano makipag-meeting, ganun sila. Very professional and very hospitable. Na-meet nyo si Ambassador Abdulaziz, no dull moment with him. Masaya siya kasama and very, very protective sa amin at malaking asset para to sa JCCG. Tsaka yung partnership natin sa mga ibang Saudi Arabian companies. Kapips, thank you. Thank you and good night. Loves you.